Thanks again, everybody, for joining us today. Great to have you on board. For those of you that attended our last advanced user group, something we like to do at these sessions is actually talk about our customer success stories. So today we'd just like to share a couple of customer success stories in terms of our customers and how they've approached using Advanced and really leveraging that within their businesses to get efficiencies and drive success within their organisation. First example here is a company by the name of Elven Group. Elven Group, quite a complex organisation in terms of their accounting structure, 13 unique operating entities in a number of different subtle variations in terms of how they operate, diverse requirements, and they had the need to really add additional entities easily. They had very labour-intensive processes in terms of how they managed the data between these disparate companies, and had some industry-specific solutions that really added to those challenges as well, in terms of how they bring that information together and really understand and have clear visibility over how the organisation as a group is going overall. In terms of the solution, they implemented Advanced with the benefits of having a single tenant with multiple companies within that one tenant, all sharing a common trail of accounts, of course, common set of suppliers and a common set of customers. As a part of that implementation, we integrated this specialty industry-specific software via APIs, provide two-way integration between customer data being updated and synchronized across those two systems, and of course, invoice transactions flowing from the industry vertical application into MYOB Advanced. Of course, we also utilized Velixo for geo-reporting. The main reason for that was really to give that high-level visibility of board reports across these 13 entities. How do we ensure that we've got accurate data and the ability to measure, monitor, and manage accordingly? So Velixo just brought an ease of reporting. For those of you that aren't aware of Velixo, it's essentially an MYOB Advanced add-on that works within the Microsoft Excel environment. It gives you the ability, it gives you additional formulas and the ability to grab data in real time from MYOB Advanced and show them in an Excel worksheet environment with the tools that you're probably already familiar with. In terms of the benefits, it was really about increased transparency and visibility through reporting. They established departmental reporting through, of course, the sub-account structure and implemented these group-level consolidations that just really increased visibility of operational performance for the organisation. Another example of a success story we'd like to share today is a company by the name of Outperformers who provide engineering services. Outperformers are quite unique in terms of the way that they use the projects module that James talked about previously. They had complex project requirements, and not only was there sort of project accounting aspect, but there was the operational aspects of how they manage these projects and how they manage the processes around those projects across departmental lines. They're using lots of Excel spreadsheets to manage and maintain this data. We all know that MYOB Advanced is an ERP system. And of course, ERP, one of the terms that I often reflect on is that ERP should stand for Excel Replacement Program. That may not be true, but in this instance, they had all of their operational data outside of their core systems and lots of manual data-intensive tasks managing these Excel spreadsheets. They also had real lack of visibility as a result of that. It was very hard for them to understand performance and project status across departments, given this disparate data that had been managed outside of the system. In terms of the solution, we heavily customized the projects module to essentially add the operational aspects that they needed to manage and maintain. There were a couple of key areas. Firstly, they had this sort of audit tracking process they needed to manage in terms of audit requirements, scheduling of those audits, where they were able to use projects as the source of that data. Secondly, there's a lot of complex, comprehensive document management was required around each of those projects and the audits within those projects. So we actually implemented a customization within Advanced, so they brought in a whole new document management aspect, document compliance, status of documents, so they could actually manage that document lifecycle throughout the project lifecycle. Of course, the other big thing for them was around operational reporting. We really leveraged the advanced dashboards to give departmental level clarity around the things that mattered within each department. We introduced widgets and dashboards for each key business unit to give them the numbers that matter. In terms of the benefits, significantly improved the overall project workflow. getting rid of all those disparate Excel spreadsheets, bringing everybody into one system, one source of truth, and managing those within the one system. Of course, it introduced real-time reporting across the organisation, which was previously almost impossible for them to manage, and increased the visibility of their performance through operational dashboards.